cryo like lenses. This is it. Yeah, yeah. La, la, la. Yeah, guys. Hopefully, this machine suck in my fat. Cryo. Cryo, cryo. Okay lang, guys. It's not painful at all. It's nice. Feeling this. Parang may namasag sa pinihikot na lang yung fat sa tagiliran. So, you can feel the pressure, but it's not painful at all. Feel ko nga lang liit na yung bewang ko, charot. There we go. Ayan yung machine, guys. So, this area, the process will last 40 minutes. After this, dito naman, another side. Another, I think 40 minutes again. Yan guys, sinasak na yung ano. Diba? Diba? Ayun. Did you see that? Makikita niyo ba yan? Yan, yan, yan. Yan siya yung naibon ko. Yan, baba. See that? Oh. Kala nyo lang payat ako. And then yung taba lahat sa tiyan, oh. Yan. Kaya hindi na ako comfortable sa ano ko, sa katawan ko, lalo na sa tummy area. Kasi kaya talaga ako ever since. Kaya ngayon lang ako talaga nag-gain ng weight. I gained 4 kg. I gained 4 kg since delivery of Fonzie. Ang maintaining weight ko kasi is 50. And now I'm 54.2. And where are these 4 kg? Because I don't look fat naman. My arms, my leg, they were payat. So this 4 kg mostly they are here around my waistline, my tummy. Then kung yung iba'y tumataba, pag tumaba, lahat tumataba. Ako naman iba, tiyan lang ang tumataba, tumalong. Kaya na-feel ko na hindi proportion yung katawan ko. Kasi yung mga braso ko, mga legs ko, payat. Pagdating dito sa tummy area, mataba. Kaya I decided to try this cryo. Maybe effective, maybe not, but we will see. Papakita ko sa inyo guys when I finish my 4 sessions. I took 4 sessions here. So ayan o, did you see that? This is my butt. Yan. Sinasak niya at the same time if you freeze. So kapag frozen na siya, unti-unting mamamatay yung fats. At pag namamatay na yung fats, lalabas na siya through urinating. Yan sabi nito. At same time, sabayan ko na rin ng diet. So, it means,
How is it?
I'm enjoying.
Wow!
This is my...
Hi!
She's so pretty.
Thank you!
She's the one who did also my emocab 3 days ago.
Yes.
And she's so nice. So, ito na ba yung fats ko? Yung nakikita
Yes.
ko? Ay, ala.
Yan po yung na-absorb niya sa sides, the whole side areas po.
Okay. Grabe siya kung makasak, no? Sige, igupin mo na yung lahat. Huwag mo na tirhan, ha? Huwag mo na tirhan.
Then later, doon tayo sa kabila naman, hihigupin niya. And then, the next session, on next day, kaya po yung binabook nyo. We'll do the same thing. Manual session, more on manual sessions.
Ay, mukha ulit?
Yes.
Alternate.
Yeah. And then, hindi na tayo mag-cryo kasi it will repeat on after 3 weeks pa eh. And you have only 2 cryos, di ba?
To prior and to
And then, more of the
manual session.
Same with, we will still give you a free session for you.
So, cryo will be done only every 3 weeks. You cannot do it like
At the same
very
area,
often.
repeating on the same area.
So, if I want to do again cryo, it will be after 3 weeks.
Yes. Subscribe on her channel.
Yeah, my channel is Jalyn Magbanwa.
Yes.
Ayan si ate, ang staff na. Mabait dito. Siya din yung nag-imokap sa akin last time. Ayan. Very supportive. Itatag ko daw sila sa ano. Sa post. See guys, oh, imagine. May nagsasabi dyan na hindi ako mataba. Ano to? Anong tawag dito? Oy, kayo ah. Silayos kayo sa espiritu ng cryo. Huwag kayong ano ha. Yung iba dyan, huwag magpaiwan-iwan. Sumama kayo lahat. Ayoko sa inyo. Ayoko sa inyo. Kaya magsilayas kayo. Okay lang guys. I'm enjoying. Okay. So, yeah. On my right side, the process will take 40 minutes. Ayan o, may timer. May timer sa machine. So, after 40 minutes, on my left side again, another 40 minutes. So, this is cryolipolysis process works. So, kapag ikaw ay overall mataba, for example, yung mga hita mo mataba, mga braso, I think it will one session here, one session here. I think ganyan siguro ang mangyayari. Unlike sa akin, ang pinaka-cryo cases, may tummy area lang. Kasi dyan lang nakatira yung mga fatty-fatty. So, braso po sa legs, sa ibang part ng katawan. I'm fine naman. Ito lang talaga yung tiyan ko. Tingnan nyo yung tiyan ko. Ano ba? Yung so, that's it guys. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung cryolipolysis. Kung paano nila ginagawa. Ganyan. How does it look like? How does it feels like? Hindi siya masakit. Promise. Parang inaano lang. Nagano lang siya. Ini-squeeze lang yung fats mo. Pero look at my fats, oh. Can't believe that. It's very thick. So, ayan. Sinasak niya at update you after 2 weeks. After my 4 sessions. Because I took 4 sessions here. But not all cryo like this. It's a manual process like EmoCup. The EmoCup like I did last time, it's like vacuum. Like vacuum like this. Tapos may kasama siyang massage. Because itong cryo, hindi naman to siya pwede gawin very often. Pwede to siyang gawin every 3 weeks lang. So, yun. So, in 2 to 3 days, I will do again EmoCup like what I did last time. Yung parang ginawa. Okay, so, thank you guys. Hope you enjoy.